Hello all and welcome to the new video. In this video we're gonna solve another pattern, that is pattern 8. So let's just try to print this pattern. Okay, how we can print this pattern, and then we will code it in the code editor. So let's just take this pattern to our whiteboard and analyze this, that how we can print it up. Okay, fine. So see this. This is again, let's just try to say this. It is a matrix, right? It is a matrix. And how many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows. And how many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 columns are there, right? So I can say that, just name this first, second, third, fourth, and 5. This is one column, second column, third column, fourth column, and the fifth column, right? So where we have to print the star, let's just see this. On 1, 5, 2, 4, 3, 3. Okay. Now 4, 2 and 5, 1. Now let's just try to observe one pattern here. What is that pattern? The pattern is when we're adding both the row and the column, answer comes same. That is, which is equal to our n plus 1. What is it then? N is number of rows, or I can say number of columns, right? If we have 5 rows, it comes as 6, right? All the 6. So I can say n plus 1, n plus 1, n plus 1, n plus 1. So what is the approach for printing up the stars? What is the approach? That if my row plus column is equals to my number of rows plus 1, number of rows or number of columns, because it is a square matrix, so I can say number of rows or number of columns. Okay, then only print star. Okay, having some spaces. Else I can say print what? Print space, and space is denoted by, right, this type of T in Java. Okay, so I can say then only print the stars if my row plus column equals to n plus 1. Okay, so this is the, I can say, a pseudo code for this code. I hope the approach is clear. Okay, let's just try to code it in the code editor. First we will take integer n, or I can say input. Now first for loop is for row less than equals to n and row plus plus. Now second for loop is for column in c equals to 1, c is less than equals to n, and c should be plus plus. Okay, fine. Now what we have to do, if my row plus column equals to my n plus 1, right, then only print the stars, then only print the stars, right? Else you can print up the space, print up the space. Okay, now after doing my work in a particular column, or I can say in a particular row, I have to change the line, right? I have to change my line. For this I have to add one more line, that is system.out.println, so that it can come, or it can change the line. It can come to the next line, or I can say it can change the line. So this is the whole code. Let's just try to run it. Yes, it is accepted. Let's just try to submit it. Yeah, it is a correct answer. So this is the whole code for printing up my right diagonal. Okay, I hope you understood this video very well. If you like this video, please do hit the like button, and please do subscribe our Pepcoding's YouTube channel. Thank you.